Yo, what's up, everybody? We will be talking about a construction update in Brookhaven. We do have hints from this because why would we have an oversized road? Why would we have it? And also, this is a public server. So let's get out like any house. How about like this one, let's say. So right here, left there was like a construction button, and it made it look like it's all under construction. It has like the scaffolding that people stand on, all that, and we wouldn't have that on the space house or the submarine house. Any house that's like not technically a house, we wouldn't have it. And we would see probably a DOT truck or a construction truck at least. Maybe a DOT station or construction people work like here, or even just as a small house, as like one of those little houses there. And instead of those you have to spawn in by people, there would be one like a place that nothing's in really. Maybe like maybe you move the skate park over here. Like why would the old skate park was right here? Move it back because under a bridge is actually a good spot. And they should have it like have one of those boas that you go in at the skate park, but that's not what we're talking about. So, and then we could have it like that skate park over by the school. We could have that station naturally where we spawned in there. Or we could have it right here. It has room. Why not? And also make sure you like and subscribe so this might be able to get out to a developer of Brookhaven. You never know. So make sure you like and sub. Okay, or we could even have it be like one of the themes. Like these themes know what I'm talking about. Like when you press a button in there and then it like changes it. It could be that. Or there could even just be one right here. Would be a good spot. See, there's like so many things like that with so many places, and you can kind of build the agency portal. Besides, I would have the hammer. That would why would we have a hammer if we can't build stuff? Tell me. I don't know. See, it would have that. And when you press on that construction button, it would have how much it's completed. If it just started getting built, it would have the outlines and stuff, and the hole was digged, and then on the second they would have half of the house. On the field they would have the whole house, but they're still building the roof, and on the last one it's done, pretty much. And then on the very last one, it's just completely done, and it's over. You don't build it anymore, so and like the last one is just like a stop the construction theme. Right? That would make most sense. And also, not saying this is part of the construction, on this isn't part of the construction, but this guy right here is the owner of the agency. This guy right here. Just if you don't know it, the 2-story motel. It looks like Brookhaven when it started. Well, that is pretty much everything for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And this update might be in Brookhaven. Peace out.